Kia ora, ko Jeremy aka Tā tere ahau, ko hau te rangatira o te whare.
No. No. Kia ora, ko Te Rina hau, ko au te māma o te whare.
Kia ora, ko Te Uaki aho.
Kia ora, ko Mairua hau.
A ko sina tēnei.
Morena, another day in paradise. So this morning, Mama is off to do some grocery shopping for Koro Tīmoti, and I'm gonna have some time with the boys. You've all heard Te Mauretanga's piano skills, so let's see what Te Uaki has been learning at school. Are you ready, son?
Yeah. Okay, Papa, let's see what you can play. Eh?
Yeah, I'm always up for a challenge. Are you gonna teach me something?
Yeah, but you have to listen.
I have to what?
You have to listen.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
I'll give you an easy one. Go. Not good.
Hala, ano.
Watch and follow me. You push this one, and then this one, and then these two. Hoha, man. Stick to the guitar, pops.
That didn't go too well. We'll just stick to the guitar for now. You'll not be getting lollies, young man. I've been really lucky to be a part of Te Uaki's life since he was 3.5. He is now 11. His dad and I are very, very good friends, and his mum and his dad have remained good friends as well. His whakapapa is Te Ati Haunui ao Pāparangi e Ngāti Mania Poto through his dad. And even though he's not as out there as his younger brother, trust me, Te Uaki is a genius, and we're going to see some of his skills as we roll out the series. So everyone, this is Te Uaki Maraku.
Kia ora.
I'm Te Wakamako.
Ko te mauritanga kē koe.